Now in this question I am given that 90% of people are right-handed. So if I consider success as selecting a right-handed person, okay, then what is the probability of success? 90%, which is 0.9. So probability of failure, which is same as selecting a person having left-handed. So probability of failure is Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is 0.1. Okay. Now it is just said that 90% of the people are right-handed. This means that we can consider that the number of people are so large that selecting 1 or 2 or 10 people, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or even 10 people does not change this probability. So I can consider this experiment as a set of Bernoulli trials. So the number of trials are 10 because here we are selecting 10 people. So number of trials is 10, correct? Now what is the question? The question asks to find out the probability that at most 6 people are right-handed. That is probability that number of right-handed people, that is number of successes, is less than or equal to 6. Correct? This I can simply do using the binomial distribution, because this is a set of Bernoulli trials. So P of x less than or equal to 6, I can also write as 1 minus probability of x greater than 6, because out of 10, if I have to add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, rather than that it is easier for me to calculate probability of x equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, because it has less number of terms in it. So I am going to do like this. So this is equal to 1 minus probability of x equal to 7 plus probability of x equal to 8 plus probability of x equal to 9 plus probability of x equal to 10. Correct? So this is equal to 1 minus, what is probability of x equal to 7? 10c7 into p power 7 q power 3 plus probability of x equal to, x equal to 8 is 10c8 into p power 8 q square plus probability of x equal to 9 is 10c9 p power 9 q power 1 plus probability of x equal to 10 is 10c10 p power 10. Correct? So this is equal to 1 minus 10c7 is, if I expand it, I will get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. That will get cancelled by the 7 factorial in the denominator, and so I am left with 3 factorial in the denominator, which is 3 into 2 into 1 into 0.9 to the power 7 into 0.1 cube. Correct? Plus 10c8 is 10 into 9 by 2 into 1 into 0.9 to the power 8 into 0.1 square plus 10c9 is 10 into 0.9 to the power 9 into 0.1 plus 10c10 is 1 and p to the power 10 is 0.9 to the power of 10. Correct? So this is equal to 1 minus, if I take out 0.9 to the power 7 common, because it is present in every term, I can write it as here I am going to cancel this 3 with 9, so I have 3 here, I will get 4 here. So this is 120 into 0.1 cube. So 120 into 0.1 cube means I have to shift to the decimal places by 3. So it is 0.120 plus 10 into 9 by 2 into 1 is 10 into 9 is 90, 90 by 2 is 45. So 45 into 0.9 into 0.01 plus 10 and 0.1 will get cancelled, so I'll get 0.9 square, which is 0.81, and this is 0.9 cube. Correct? So this is equal to 1 minus 0.9 to the power 7 into 0.12 plus 45 into 0.9 into 0.01 will be 0.45 into 0.9, which is equal to 0.405 plus 0.81 plus 0.9 cube is 0.729. Correct? So sum of all this is equal to 1 minus 0.9 to the power 7 into 2.064. This is our final answer.